Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today we will be discussing how you can send your money from GCash to PayPal. Let's dive right in. So first things first, as we all know, PayPal is a great online banking service that we can use, as is GCash. Now, unfortunately, GCash and PayPal are not directly connected. So you're not able to transfer directly from GCash to PayPal, but there is a roundabout way, and let's dive into it. So what you can do is you can withdraw your funds from GCash and deposit it into your bank account. You can then go ahead and link your bank account to your PayPal, and then you can simply transfer from your bank account to your PayPal. So to put it simply, you can transfer your money from GCash to your bank account and then finally to your PayPal. This is a very simple yet somewhat roundabout way of transferring your money from GCash to PayPal. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.